Hey Stephen, how's it going?
It's going good, Sarah. How are you?
I'm good. So do you know what this is?
I have no clue.
Yeah. All right. So I'm going to help you figure it out. All
Okay.
right. So what I want you to do is take this leaf.
Okay.
And I want you to look at it and tell me something you're surprised to see on the leaf. So what do you notice? What do you think is kind of weird about the leaf?
It's really smooth.
It's really smooth?
Just by feeling of it.
Okay. What
And
else do you see, or what else do you notice?
I've noticed the veins from the leaf.
Okay. Yeah.
A lot.
And what do the veins do? Do you know what the veins do in the
They
leaf?
extend out away from the stem.
Okay. And the veins carry all the water and sugar through the leaves and to the rest of the plant to help fuel it so it can grow. Now look really close along the edge and the bottom. What are some other little details that you notice?
I noticed that there are jagged edges.
Yeah, so the edges of a leaf, they can be referred to as teeth, right?
Yes.
So these look like little jagged little teeth along the edge, okay? And then if you kind of fold it and look at that main vein at the bottom, what do you see running along the edge of that vein? Do you see?
It almost looks like hair in a way.
Yeah, so there's little hairs that you can find on the bottom and sometimes the tops of these leaves too, right?
Wow.
So, and the hair helps act as an insulator, keeps the water from evaporating and things like that. So as a scientist, we want to make observations with all of our senses, right?
Yes.
So we looked at it, right?
Yes.
What else could we do?
We could smell it.
Oh, let's smell it.
It smells.
You gotta break it up a little bit
Okay,
to
let's
really
break it.
get the essence.
It smells sour.
Sour?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Now, does it sound?
Let's see what it sounds like.
Yeah. Does it sound like?
I don't hear anything.
Does it talk to you?
It doesn't talk to me.
No.
Like a
Okay.
seashell.
Okay. All right. So we've looked at it. We smelled it. We felt it. We said it was smooth and a
There's
little
only one thing
jaggedy.
left.
So there's one thing left. Well,
We have to taste it.
yeah. What do you think?
It's sour.
It is pretty sour.
It's very sour.
Now, are we supposed to just eat anything we find in nature? Is that a good, smart
That's
idea?
not a smart decision.
No, but I know this leaf very well. And you are right, it's called the sourwood tree, okay? And we identify the sourwood tree by those characteristics, those small little jagged teeth on the edges,
Yes.
and the hair that you can find along the mid-vein and on the bottom. And then that general kind of classic leaf shape, right? And it does have an edible quality to it, and it won't hurt you. You can't eat a whole salad out of sourwood. That might make you be a little unhappy, but a couple of
Very
bites
sour.
is a good thing. What does the flavor remind you of besides sour? Can you think of a comparison?
I think of Sour Patch Gummies.
Sour Patch Gummy. And it always reminds me of like the rind from a green apple.
That too.
Yeah.
That too.
All right, cool.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Sarah, for showing me this.